In example 6, 7, 8, and 9, we are asked to simplify these fractions. I will show you two methods for you to choose from. One will follow the book examples, and the other one is just an alternate way that maybe your teacher will show or you've learned in the past. So let's begin. Simplifying is another word for reducing. So let me repeat. Simplifying is another word for reducing. In the textbook, what they ask you to do is to list out the factors of 10, which are 2 times 5, and the factors of 15, which is 3 times 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, that cancels out, and you're left with 2/3. An alternate way is to ask yourself, what can you divide to the top and bottom by? What's a common denominator you can multiply to top and bottom? It is 5. So you can divide top and bottom by 5, and you also get 2/3. So again, I'll show you the book example method and the alternate. Here, the factors are 6 and 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 4 is 24. You reduce that. 6/4, again, the factors for 6 are 2 times 3 and 2 times 2. You can reduce that, and you get 3/2. This seems to be a little lengthier, so let's see if the alternate way is faster. What number can you divide to the numerator and the denominator to create an equivalent fraction that is reduced? Okay. You can divide top and bottom by 6, so you're left with 6/4. Divide top and bottom by 2, and you're left with 3/2. So whichever method is easier for yourself. Now I'm going to use this method for these two. You can divide top and bottom by 9. You get 2 and 8. Divide top and bottom by 2, and you get 1 and 4. I highly suggest and recommend that you show the work, because if you start doing mental math, you may divide by the wrong number. I've seen it many times where students like to do mental math when they reduce, and they end up dividing it by the wrong number. For example, they know they're supposed to divide by 9, but in their head they might divide by 8 and put a 9 here. Okay. Once again, show your work. Divide by 9, divide by 9, and we get 8/1.